Good morning, all of you. In last session, we have discussed about this better housekeeping practice. Okay, that why we need to keep away this solid waste and how it chokes the pipes of this our sink. Okay, or wash basin. So in this session, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about this sanitation and disease. Okay, why? Because this poor sanitation and contaminated drinking water is the cause of a large number of disease. Okay, poor sanitation and contaminated drinking water is the cause of a large number of disease. Disease like cholera, typhoid, polio, meningitis, hepatitis, and this dysentery. Okay, meningitis is inflammation on the liver only. Hepatitis and dysentery is also the disease which is being occurred from this cause of this bacteria or else this contaminated drinking water fungi, we can say. Okay, so you can see that let take a look at our we people only. Okay, sometimes among us only some people among us only have not sewage facilities. Okay, they are suffering from lack of this sewage facilities. So what they do is a very large number of of people defecates in the open only. Okay, in the open like river beds, after it railway tracks. Okay, near the fields, or else many a time directly in water also. Okay, so this is the main reason that this cause of these things, our our groundwater. Okay, groundwater and our water source like wells, tube wells, etc. are being polluted because of this. Okay, so untreated human etc. is a health hazard. Okay, so we have already discussed that this untreated human excreta. So untreated human excreta is a health hazard. So excreta, it simply means that the this solid waste relief we relieve. Okay, solid waste released by our human body is excreta only. So this is the topic we have discussed, this sanitation and disease. One more, this vermi processing toilet. So it's a design of a toilet in which human excreta is treated by earthworms, has been tested in India. Okay, it has been found. You might have already aware with this vermi processed. Wait for a while. Let me search that. This vermi compost. Okay, so this is something related to it only. This is a vermi processing toilet is a design of a toilet in which humans excreta is treated by earthworms, has been tested in India. It has been found to be novel and low water use toilet. Okay, mark here that this is low water use toilet for safe processing of human waste. The operation of the toilet is very simple and hygienic. Okay, it's not no rocket science in it, and it's very simple and it's hygienic also. The human excreta is completely converted to vermic eggs. Okay, and which is being used in plants. Okay, so this is one more thing we have to discuss is. And next topic is, okay, moving forward to the next topic. This is alternative arrangement for sewage disposal. Okay, what we can do if people are suffering with these sewage facilities. Okay, so we just have to find out some alternative arrangements for this. Okay, so this first of all, this is on-site sewage facilities. Okay, so what is it actually? In these septic tanks, chemical toilets, and composing pits are some main. Okay. Okay, so a septic tank is mainly suitable for some hospitals. Okay, after this cluster of 4 to 5 houses. Okay, they keep a tank there. Okay, and after this they relieve in some atmosphere after processing it. Okay, so pollution of water and soil can be reduced with the help of this. Okay, simply. After this, one another is some organizations offer hygienic on-site human waste disposal technology. Okay, So how it works that these toilets, first of all, these toilets do not require scavenging. Okay, and if they do not require scavenging, excreta from the toilet seats flow through covered drains into a biogas plant. Okay, and after it, you all of you already knows that what we can do of this biogas. Okay, we use this biogas as the source of energy only. Okay, so these are the alternate arrangement for this sewage disposal. Okay, next one is let's discuss about this sanitation at public places. Okay, public places like fairs, railway stations, bus depots, airports, hospitals, etc. We can consider. Okay, where the people are very going generally, where the people are going generally. So what about this sanitation at these public places? Because if we do not dispose this waste properly, okay, then once again we can suffer this pandemic. Okay, because of this only, because large amount of people are going there. So the government is let me discuss that the government has already laid some standards for this sanitation on this at these public places, but they are not strictly enforcing it. Okay, they are not strictly enforced. But what we can do, what is our vital role, what we people can do by our side. Okay, because always be the change you need. Okay, be the change you want. Okay, start from yourself. So, however, all of us can contribute in maintaining sanitation at public places. Like we should not scatter litter anywhere if there is no dustbin inside. Okay, if there is no dustbin wherever you are going, then you just should carry the litter home and throw it in the dustbin. Okay, or else apart from these public places. But generally nowadays these public places are using dustbin very well. Okay, but if there are no dustbin, then just keep the litter with yourself and put it in your own dustbin at home only. Okay, so this is the topic about sanitation and disease. Okay, so thank you very much, and in next session we will close our chapter, we will complete this chapter after completing this keywords you are given in your textbook. Okay, thank you very much.